All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. We are going to be getting some runs in with the S650, the tune-only S650. Good news is my wheels have finally shipped, so they will be on the car by the end of the week. Hopefully we'll have a cat delete as well, and we're going to be doing the weight reduction so we can see how much the car can pick up 60 to 130 wise, and also see how much weight we can remove from the Mustang. I'm really excited for that. Pulled to the E station, and man, there's some cars here, man. A couple Camaros, man. It's pretty badass. Some badass rides right here. High Ram Camaros. This was legitimately random that I pulled up on these guys, but the meet that I'm going to is a little bit further away. It's a bit of a drive, but hopefully we can go ahead and get a run in with another full bolt-on Gen 3 car. And potentially whatever else pulls up. I don't know if those boys are gonna be pulling up to the spot, but if they do, hell yeah, we're gonna see what this car can do, because I'm really happy with the S650. Cannot wait to go ahead and actually do mods to this car, as well as the weight reduction. I think we're gonna be moving out. Alrighty, let's head out of here. God damn, bro, somebody got pulled over. Bro, there's so many cops out right now, it's actually kind of insane. It is the end of the month. I think they're going kind of ridiculous right now, I ain't gonna lie. Like, this is like the 4th person that's got pulled over in like the past like mile or so, which is nuts. Look at this fucking guy. What an idiot. So we're gonna drive slow. Whew. Not draw too much attention. Luckily, this car is quite quiet, especially when you don't have the valves open. If you guys enjoy the content on the channel, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Definitely do not want to miss out on the S650 build, as well as the Shelby GT 350. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get closer to Mexico or already in Mexico.
One eternity later.
All right, we just pulled up to a spot. We got an S650 here with 10 speed. They say it's stock with E40, but I don't know about that, y'all. It's dumped. The diffuser cut. I'm pretty sure this car is actually, I think it's tuned actually. And it might have headers. I'm not too sure, but we'll see. We shall see, ladies and gentlemen. He's on the stock wheels and tires, so we'll see what goes down. I've already ran a headers E30 S650, a stock tune only S650 already, so depending on how this goes, we'll be able to tell exactly what's done on the car 110%. So it'll be pretty interesting. We got a Camaro pulling up. See what's going on with the Camaro as well, but see what goes down. See what other cars are here.
I got this one back because this car, they were trying to seize it
say this is a G2
I got this one back.
MT82 car.
Yeah, awesome. I might run this car, bro.
Yeah, I think it's a G2. Is it a? It might be a '93 car.
He was saying it was a 93.
That might be. Yeah, that might be a good run. Look. That might be a good run, bro.
Or I would. You mean like I'm a run?
That might be a good run. Headers S650, my S650, BMW. I'm probably gonna run the S650 in the Camaro and see what's up. See what's up. See how this goes, y'all. All right, we're gonna see exactly what we can do against this S650. I don't know if it's gonna be straight here. Got him. He pulled out him up top. On that one. What? It is the next day. I'm actually headed out to the E85 station right now to get some gas. MT82, man. So far, I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying it a lot more than I thought I would in all reality. Like, this fourth gear pulls pretty hard. It pulls pretty hard. The long gears, they come in handy when you need them. I'm not going to lie. They really, really do. So if you guys are thinking about tuning your S650 Mustang GT, specifically the MT82 manual transmission, I personally think it is a no-brainer. There is a lot left on the table with that stock tune on 93 octane, even with the E30 blend. Just running the car on straight E85, because remember, this car is mechanically stock. The only thing that I have done is the carbon trap delete, and if you want to count the H-pipe resonator delete as like an actual power mod, which in all reality it's just for sound. This is very, very impressive in my personal opinion, man. Like, if this is something that, you know, you daily drive and you just want a little bit more, you know, power, and you have E85 in your area, I highly recommend just going ahead and getting your MT82 car tuned, because I mean, I'm doing all this on stock wheels from factory, stock tires from factory. The car is full weight. I mean, you could have yourself a very fun and not fast, but quick car with little to no money down. You know, all you need to do is just tune it and spend 10 minutes to remove your carbon traps. And considering the fact that these cars have been locked for over a year now, odds are you probably have maybe a cold air intake, maybe you already have headers on your car, and you're just wanting to see if, you know, it's worth it to go ahead and get it tuned. Because this car, it literally has the stock catback, the stock active exhaust. So if you already have, you know, minor bolt-ons, that's just going to add on top of that E85 tune. You're gonna really have a nice car, and people are not gonna expect it to be quick at all, because you gotta remember, not that many people think that the S650s are actually tunable right now. There's a lot of people that don't know that you can actually tune these cars, and on top of that, there's a lot of people who don't believe that the MT82s can actually move. So if you have a driver mod, you know, this is actually not a bad car, like whatsoever. This is not a bad car. I'm gonna get some runs in with some more full bolt-on Gen 3s and other NA cars in the next couple of days. Hopefully my drag pack arrives, because it said it shipped, and then I went ahead and checked the tracking to see exactly what day I was gonna get it, and it said like shipment canceled. So I don't know what the heck's going on. Hopefully that was just a mistake and it actually is shipped out. But I'm really trying to go ahead. What are you doing? I'm really trying to go ahead and get my tires and wheels on this car. Trying to go ahead and get this cat delete done as soon as possible. Get the car, obviously, you know, retuned for the modifications, and go out and see what it can do. Still contemplating if I want to do an NA build, a minor NA build, because so far I'm really happy with the NA performance. I did not think I was gonna like the NA performance with the S650. I thought it was just gonna be like, you know, maybe a minor improvement with the tuning, but so far I'm very, very, very impressed. And I am entertaining the idea of getting headers for the car. I am entertaining the ideas of getting a cold air intake for the car. But at the same time, you know, it's kind of pointless if I'm going to be twin turboing it. But, you know, having an NA car, for the most part, it is, I ain't gonna lie, I am having some fun, you know, with these NA runs. It's nothing like boosted runs, but it is pretty entertaining going ahead and, you know, going out and seeing, you know, how people react, you know, with NA cars, and seeing the scene, the NA scene, because it's been a minute. It's been a minute. The last time I was actually, you know, messing around in the NA scene was when I first bought the Shelby GT350, and I did headers in E85, and I only was really doing stuff for like a month because it was Texas 2K, and then after that, I went ahead and picked up the black 2 valve, and I was right back, you know, into the boosted stuff. So, whew, I'm really happy with this so far. I really am. I really am happy with this. I need to see what this car does with Cat Delete E85. I need to see what it does. But who knows, you know, I'm planning on boosting this car within the next like 90 days or less, realistically. I really want to have this car twin turbo within the next like 3 months. Oh man, because I know that'd be fun. That'd be badass. Worst case scenario, next Texas 2K, definitely gonna be popping out with this car, you know, with the twin turbo kit for sure. Because I really, really, really want to go ahead and have some fun with the S650. Because I think it's a solid car, man. I know people are going to say, oh, S650s are duds, this and that. I don't know, y'all. I say give it 6 months. Everybody who's bolt-ons with S550s is going to be in an S650. I'm calling it right now. In 6 months, the S650 is going to be the way to go, 110%. Whatever's happening up here, I'm glad I'm not on the highway. So if you guys enjoyed the content, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. I don't know what is going on up here, but hopefully everybody is good. Dude, it's literally bumper to bumper. Nobody is moving up here. Catch y'all on the next one. Deuces.